now I have this big, beautiful bowl of fruit. I have apples, peaches, and nectarines and lemons in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this fruit into, actually, no, I think we do this one first. We're gonna turn this on, put it in there. We're just doing the first setting because this is fruit. And then we're gonna put these in and see how these turn out. All right, it's doing its thing. These are another type of buoyant fruit, so I think probably stirring it around a little bit helps. And it's been 13 minutes total, 3 minutes for this, and then a 10-minute resting period. And it feels like everything feels nice and extra like shiny and clean. So I don't know how to really describe it, but it's definitely a very clean feeling after everything has been washed. It's like something has been removed off of the surface. Now, I should mention that everything I buy, for the most part, is certified organic, which means that there are no pesticides. There shouldn't be any pesticide residue, but you never know like what could be on the produce. It could be even just bacteria or contamination from other sources. But if you are buying non-organic produce, I feel like actually this is probably a really important thing to do to remove any pesticide residue as well as bacteria and anything from the growing and transportation process, which is way less strict than the organic standards. Now, these lemons actually came from a neighbor's tree, so these actually would normally have a lot more residue on them, and these are like sparkly shiny. So this is great. I'm really happy with this. What everything looks like. I mean, talk about nice and clean. And then here's what the water looks like afterwards. There's definitely like a lot of little things floating around that you definitely wouldn't want on like your food. Now look at my beautiful fruit bowl right here. This is like, everything is so nice and shiny. This is gonna go perfectly back on the table and be ready for people to grab and eat. But I do wanna show you something. These are some nectarines and peaches, and I do see like the nectarines got really agitated while cleaning. So this is something you would wanna do for stone fruits that are soft like this right before you plan to use them, because look at that, they weren't like that before. And I mean, I'm glad they're really clean, but I definitely don't want to put them back in my fruit bowl because they're going to go bad quickly. So I think what I'm going to do is just chop these up and keep them in a container in the refrigerator. But that's definitely something to consider. And then I ate one of these, and it does taste a lot cleaner on the skin.